out of my video because next thing I go post and I go tell me say, you know why. Well, you're lucky. Anyways. Don't mind the face, guys. I don't know what happened to me. I lie, I know what happened to me. Like, when the time hot, then both beer usually come up on me, and the time is very hot right now. I'm surprised. A long time I time I see, I'm surprised because I'm now they just come on me. But I think it's heat rush. I'm around some I can find it. So, but anyways, I am just here to say I am going to the river. I'm going to the river yard and I'm taking you on the journey with me. So, let's go. Okay, so guys, we never record the destination because everybody's supposed to tired. I made it record that they want something to do. Parts to always passport. I saw you closed off. It closed off bad. Or there's other parts.
Just best as it can.
Guys, we literally lock up home. May I try and make TikTok and do all these things? I'm a record on my phone. I forgot to all the video when I just going to water. Going to water already, so I'm not going to no lie. I'm not fake. So, my spot is right over there. If y'all know me, or know say me a river water, no. But yeah, going over to my spot again. This is my spot. No dip, no. Water, not even ice water. If this is water you make drinks, you can't drink it. Me? All I want is just a little piece of mind. Bloop. Brother Bernard.
Hey, Brother Bernard. Hello. Come.
Oh yeah.
bitch love rat back.
That boom boom fat fat.
Hey, hey, hey.
Whoa. The side that we were on first, it was like basically the starting, I would say. So now we're going to another side of the river. This part has more water. Lush green vegetation. So nice.
I don't let so much. We got to put it. You want to come up here, son?
Yeah, but we need.
You gonna see your mom?
Yeah, but me just sit afraid to go up on the bridge.
Oh, wow.
So y'all want bridge the right here, so.
Bad front.
Mm-hmm. You can never make him go straight.
Yeah.
Murder! Can you look? This is a second vlog. This is a second vlog. I go come back with them that I have ever done. No.
Guys, that is not me. Okay? Okay? I'm a responsible citizen of the country where we claim to name Jamaica, but
No
we don't know what
Bahamas.
this is.
No Bahamas over
Okay.
here.
Maybe a hot girl.
Period.
Yes.
Her.
Right, that's so.
Why?
Right, just to remind me of your man. Yes.
Yeah, you are.
This is like my second one, no?
Yeah.
Come, you don't know.
No. But
Always
I
say
always
you're
say
back
yeah.
to that
We
cold
not
water.
always say gone. See, too, we not used to water.
Yes, no, we don't.
Exactly.
Afraid of cold water.
What's somebody nails? Right, the cake soap down here. And a good washing a go on down here. Should I carry my tripod? Period.